Hello, in front of me I've got MITSUBISHI Grandis. In this video I'll show you hidden features and best equipment. The Grandis includes features such as configurable display screens, wireless smartphone connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and customizable ambient lighting. Owners can personalize many vehicle settings through the touchscreen interface. Higher trims may include panoramic roof and advanced parking systems. The hybrid energy flow display is also useful for maximizing efficiency. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.